Good morning, everyone. I'm Shweta Majumdar. On behalf of Charotar English Medium School, welcome you all for the auspicious day of Science Maths Exhibition in the year 2020-21. Honorable judges, our respected principal sir, Mr. Karthik Patel, all the teachers, my dear students, and virtual viewers. We know that we are going through very crucial time of pandemic COVID-19. Since this program is very important and essential for the growth of our students, so our school has decided to arrange this in online platform instead of connecting face-to-face with them. Before starting the program, let's praise our Almighty God. The prayer that we pray should be the one that comes straight from our hearts. I would like to welcome Brijesh sir for prayer.
सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा या देवी सर्वभूतेषु विद्यारूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः.
Thank you so much, sir. It was very peaceful to listen. India has a great heritage of science and maths from the ancient era. Many scientists, mathematicians, astronomers, and medical experts like Aryabhat, Kalam, Brahmaputra, Bhaskaracharya, and many more have contributed their work to progression of the science and mathematics in India. In the 21st century, India is rapidly progressing to reach the peaks of the science and maths field in the world. Science is a systematic enterprise that builds and organizes knowledge in the form of explanation and prediction about the universe. Here, I would like to express the deepest appreciation to our Indian scientists who invented the COVID-19 vaccine. By their dedication, commitment, and hard work, makes India proud and safe. I think this invention, India has taken huge leap in the field of science and technology. Once again, I congratulate all the scientists for their extensive initiative towards the Atmanirbhar Bharat, an initiative by our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi. This exhibition focuses on invention at its best, as you can see from all the students in front of you. The brightest minds are working to uphold all these innovative ideas present here today. Now I invite the students to show their innovative work in front of you. Let's welcome our first student, Yug Samir Patel from 2nd D with his model Uses of Plants.
Good morning all. My name is Duke. I study in second D. My school name is Sarabhai English Medium School. My topic is things we get from plants. We get cereals and pulses from plants like rice, wheat, bajra, maize, moong dal, moong, chana, rajma, chana. We get vegetables from plants like potato, onion, cabbage, garlic, ginger, beetroot, spinach, etc. We get fruits and nuts from plants like mango, orange, grape, apple, pineapple, banana, almond, cashew, etc. We get spices from plants like pepper, ginger, cumin, cloves, chilies. We get oils from plants like dill, mustard, groundnut, coconut, sunflower. We get tea, coffee, sugar, cocoa from plants. We get fibers from plants like cotton fibers, jute. We get wood from plants like pencil, furniture, etc. We get medicine from plants like turmeric, tulsi, neem, betel leaves, jessy mud. We get paper, gum, rubber from plants. We get perfume from sweet-smelling plants like rose, jasmine, mogra. Thank you all.
Thank you, student. Bravo. It was a brilliant performance. Now, I would like to invite our next student, Mansi Anish Kumar Prajapati, with her model of table car.
Hello friends, my name is Mansi Prajapati. My school name is Sarabhai English Medium School. I study in 2nd standard. My project name is multiplication table wheel. I have made of 2, 3, 4 and 5 tables. We can learn 5 tables. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Thank you.
Thank you, Vikram. It was a brilliant performance. Viewers, I want to give you a short introduction of our famous scientist. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great Indian mathematician who lived during the British rule in India. Though he had almost no training in pure mathematics, he made substantial contribution to mathematical analysis, number theory, in finite series and continued fractions, including solution to mathematical problems that considered unsolvable. Now, it's time for the next student, Vaishnavi Dhaval Kumar Patel from 2nd C with her project called Water Dispenser.
My name
बोलो बोलो सर
My name is Patel Vaishnavi from the Charatar English Medium School Standard 2nd C. Topic water dispenser machine. This machine is used for drinking water and can be used without electricity power. How it works? This machine works with the help of air. When we open the tap of water, it will not come through the pipe. When we close the tap of water, it will not come through the pipe. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Now, the next contestant of the student, Divya Bhavendra Pandya from 3rd B with his model of multiplication. Divya Bhavendra Pandya is studying in 3rd B with his model of multiplication.
Hello everyone, good morning all of you. My name is Divya Pandya. My school name is Charatar English Medium School. Today my topic is addition. This is a model of addition machine. This addition machine can solve the sum. Please give me some two more numbers. Like 4 and Hello. 1, 2, and 4. And 2. The marbles are coming. I will open the box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the answer is 6. Please give me some two more numbers. Like 6 and 2. The marbles are coming. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the answer is 6, 8. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, Divya. It was a very brilliant performance. Next, I would like to invite Homi Jahangir Bhabha, played an important role in the quantum theory. He was the first person to become the chairman of the Atomic Energy Commission of India. Bhabha is generally acknowledged as the father of Indian nuclear power, but few people know that he was absolutely against India manufacturing atomic bombs, even if the country had enough resources to do. Now I would like to invite our next student, Janvi Gaurang Kumar Panchal from 3rd C with her project, Germination of Seeds.
Hello, good morning. My name is Chandragaram Kumar and I am studying in standard 3rd. Today I will tell you germination of seeds. There are 6 stages in germination of seeds. In first stage, we put seed in the soil. In second stage, embryo come out of the seed. In third stage, seed got applied. In fourth stage, cultivators come out of the soil. In fifth stage, the small leaf on our baby plant is called foliage leaves. In sixth stage, finally our plant grows. This full process is also known as photosynthesis. Thank you.
Very good, Nandi. Awesome performance. Okay. Hi guys, what's up? Good morning everybody. This is Prashant and welcome to this tutorial of Maths and Science Fair. Okay, now you know that there are many phobias and one of them is maths phobia, right? Maths phobia? Yeah, maths phobia, which exhibits by many students. It is the inconsistent, illogical fear of not succeeding in mathematics. Okay, but don't worry. Today we are going to learn techniques of Vedic mathematics. These are very easy, understandable, and very fast solution it gives, right? And today we have Malhar Bhatt, right? And I think he is next to Aryabhat. So please start your performance, dear.
Hello, good morning. My name is Malhar Gayatri Bhatt from Standard 4th. Today my project is based on how to guess someone's birth date. For that, if you want, you can take calculator with you. So let's start. Step 1. Choose your birth date and multiply it by 2. For example, let us take a number 22. So 22 multiplied by 2 is equal to 44. Step 2. Now add 5 to your total. So 44 plus 5 is equal to 49. Step 3. Multiply new total by 50. So 49 multiplied by 50 equal 2450. Step 4. Now add the month of your birth to this total. So if you are born in January, so add 1. So 2450 plus 1 equals step 5. Finally subtract 250 from the total. So 2451 minus 250 is equal to 2201. Now you will have 3 or 4 digit number. So we will divide it. 22 is date of birth and 01 is the month of the birthday. Birth date is 22nd January. Thank you.
Very good. Awesome performance by Malhar Bhatt, right? He has explained. Now, this is the example in front of you, right? And I think it's a very hard problem for the students. But with the help of Vedic mathematics, you can calculate this with of I. Let me write down here answer of this question, right? So now, here it is the answer. Now, it's a superb and fantastic method, but how to do that? That I will explain later, okay? Now, we have Elroy Harshad Mekwan and Krishna and Dharmi, right? Okay. Now, they will perform health and hygiene. Am I right? Okay. Now, okay, you can start here.
Hi friends, my name is Sarabhai S. Mekwan and my partner name is Chris M. Miller. My topic is easy science experiment will do here. 10 साल के बच्चे ये आसानी से घर में प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। Equipments: one matchbox with matchstick, one bowl with water, one small colgate. To keep bowl with water. In the bowl, 3 to 4 matchstick. Matchstick deep in water. Then you spark matchstick. Heat it, don't spark. Can you one matchstick and apply in Colgate? On the matchstick and dip in water, then clean the matchstick. You spark the matchstick, it very easily spark. Thank you.
Very good. Super performance by this people. Okay, now let us try to understand, first of all, this method of Vedas, right? It provides within blink of eye very fast solution, right? Now let me explain how does this solution, right? Here, I use a unena urvena. I have used this method of Vedas. Ek nunena urvena. Ek means one, nunena means less, and urvena means before number. Right? So now here, this is left hand. Right. Now this is before number and this is after number. So, according to this sutra, we are going to subtract 1 from this left hand side number, right? So 8888 minus 1, it gives you 8887. All right. Next I have kept this answer right hand side below 9999. Right now we will perform same operation, that is subtraction, right? So 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 7 2. All right. So in this way we have reached very fast answer, right? Now Next contestant is ready, and his name is Vigilesh Dave. Right? He is the great scientist and will perform inflated balloon. Are you ready, buddy? Okay, carry on.
My name is Mithilesh Dave. My name is Mithilesh Dave. I study in Standard 4C. My school name is Sarabhai English Medium School. My experiment is how to inflate a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. I need a vinegar, baking soda, funnel, and a balloon. Use a funnel to add baking soda in the balloon. Now you can see vinegar in the bottle. Now attach the balloon on the mouth of the bottle. Now upright the balloon, all baking soda falls. You can see chemical reaction begins. The balloon starts to inflate. We learn how to inflate a balloon using baking soda and vinegar. Thank you.
Very good, Vigilesh. Awesome, buddy. Now, our next mathematician is Yashvi Vipul Kumar Chauhan, and who is going to explain square, rectangle, perimeter. Okay. Now, till then, I will explain regarding Vedic mathematics. Okay. The aim of Vedic mathematics is to make students of all walks mathematics friendly, especially those who experience anxiety, fear, and reluctance towards the mathematics and find difficult to understand various equations, formula, corollaries, calculations, etc. Okay, the study of mathematics is like the Nile begins in minuteness but ends in magnificence, right? It is the fruit of tremendous hard work, consistent dedication, sincere commitment, and love for mathematics. Okay, now the mathematician will explain you, right? Okay, please carry on.
Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Chauhan Yashvi Vipul Kumar, studying in Standard 5th A and roll number 1. Today I got a new and interesting topic about a perimeter. What is the perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square is defined as the total distance around the outside of the square. So it can be said that a square's perimeter is its total boundary. Formula is perimeter is equals to side plus side plus side plus side, or 4 multiplied by side. See, square look like this. It has equal sides from all. See, this is a square. This one circle is supposed to 1 centimeter. So 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and 8 centimeter is equals to 32 centimeter. Now, see, for example, this is a square. This is supposed to 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 10 centimeter is equals to 40 centimeter. Now, perimeter of a rectangle. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? The perimeter of a rectangle is the total length of all the sides of the rectangle. Hence, we can find the perimeter by adding all the 4 sides of the rectangle. Formula is perimeter is equals to length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, or to bracket length plus breadth. See, this is a rectangle. Now 12 plus 6 plus 12 plus 6 is equals to 36 centimeters. For example of rectangle, this is a notebook. This is supposed to 15 centimeter. So 15 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 10 centimeter is equals to 50 centimeter of a triangle. What is the perimeter of a triangle? The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of all its three sides. Formula is perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C. Triangle looks like this. It has three equal sides. So A plus B plus C. Now perimeter of a pentagon. What is the perimeter of a pentagon? A pentagon is a polygon with 5 sides. The perimeter is the distance around the outside of the shape. It looks like this. It has 5 sides. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is equals to 25 centimeter. Formula is perimeter is equals to A plus B plus C plus D plus E. Thank you.
Very good. Awesome. Very classic performance given by Yashvi. Okay, and explain different shapes of perimeter. Now, let us go ahead. Next mathematician is Dhruvi Gauram Kumar Patel. Okay, now before that, let me explain a little bit more in Vedic mathematics. Okay, the word Veda literally means the fountainhead and illimitable storehouse of all knowledge. Vedas contain all knowledge which is essential for mankind. Okay, now let us switch over to mathematician. Okay, please carry on.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dhruvi Gaurangbai Patel, class 5th C. I make division machine. It make division fun and easy. Now I show you how this machine works. In this triangle, I have some balls, and the sum is 14 divided by 7. Now I put 14 ball one by one in the 7 cups. Five, 6, 7. So each cup has 2 balls. So the answer is 2. Thank you.
Bravo. It was a brilliant performance. Now move towards some more science introduction of the scientists. Aryabhatta was the first of the major mathematicians, astronomers from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. His work include the Aryabhatiya and Arya Siddhant for his explicit mention of the relativity of motion. He also qualifies as a major early physicist. Now, I would like to invite Vidhi Kanubhai Chavda with her project of maths. Topic is radius, diameter, and she's from 5th C.
My name is Vidhi Kalbai Chavda. I am in standard 5th C. I have read on topic parts of circle. This is center point of a circle. The line that passes through the center of a called diameter. The line that connects the center to point on the circle is called radius. The line that connects two points on the circle is called chord. This part that is enclosed by the chord is called segment. Here's the definition of radius, diameter, chord, and segment. Definition of a radius. Radius is the line segment that connects the center to point on the circle. Diameter. Diameter is the double of the size of a radius. Chord, a line segment that connects two points on the circle called chord. Last segment, a region in the interior of a circle
and produced by a core is called segment. Thank you.
Performance by Vidhi. I think we have made a scientist, a good scientist. We are producing a good scientist. Now, I would like to invite the next. Sir C.V. Raman was an Indian physicist, Bharat Ratna, and Nobel Prize winner for physics. He discovered the Raman effect, in which light that passes through a material is scattered, and the wavelength of the scattered light is changed because it has caused an energy state transition in the material molecules. Now, the turn for the next contestant, Manya Vijay Patel. She's from 5th D with her water purifier.
My name is Patel Manya. My school name is Charota English Medium School. I study in 5th D. My topic name is water purifier. We all know water is important in our life, but we can't use a dirty water because dirty water has a high TDS. TDS means total dissolved solid. TDS show a hardness of the water. So TDS check with a TDS meter. So I make a water purifier. It works high TDS convert into a medium TDS and clean water. I make this water purifier weight one small bottle. First, I do 6 holes in a upside of the bottle cap and 3 holes in a downside of the bottle. Then I fill cotton in the bottle, then crush coal, then sand, and then again crush coal, and then again cotton. Then I take a big compartment and stick a bottle with a big compartment. Then I take a small compartment and fix one tap. Your water purifier is ready. Let's test it. I take a dirty water and fill in this compartment. The dirty water TDS is 564. The clean water droplets are falling down. Thank you.
Excellent performance. The purification of water is very much needed of an art because we have to save the water as we can because water is a very precious to the life of all the organisms. Now, some more introduction of our Indian scientist. APJ Abdul Kalam was an Indian aerospace scientist and politician who served as the 11th President of India from 2002 to 2007. He thus came to be known as the Missile Man of India for his work on the development of ballistic missile and launch vehicle technology. He also played a pivotal organizational, technical, and political role in India's Pokhran second nuclear test in 1998, the first since the original nuclear test by India in 1974. Now, I would like to invite Vaidehi Gaurang Kumar Panchal from 5th C with her science project Lungs Working Model.
Hello, good morning. My name is Vaidehi Gauram Kumar Panchal. I am studying in 5th C. Today I will tell you how the lungs work by presenting this lungs working model. Some people have a question that how the lungs work. You think that this bottle is our body. This pipe is called windpipe or trachea. These two pipes are called bronchi. These two balloons are our lungs. This balloon is called diaphragm. And this space inside our body is called nasal cavity. When I pull this diaphragm downside, the air goes in the trachea, then bronchi, and enters our lungs. Because of the air pressure, our lungs blow. But when I push this diaphragm inside, the dirty air in our lungs goes in the bronchi, then trachea, and out of our body. This full system is also known as respiratory system. Thank you.
Excellent performance, Vaidehi. Now, some more information about our Indian's famous scientist. Vikram Ambala Sarabhai was an Indian physicist and astronomer who initiated space research and helped develop nuclear power in India. He was honored with Padma Bhushan in 1966 and the Padma Vibhushan in 1972. He is internationally regarded as the father of the Indian space program. Now, let's go towards the Ayushi Ashok Kumar Shah from 5th B with the project Air Pollution Control.
My name is Ayushi. I study in the 5th B. My roll number is 13. My standard is a 5th B. Now my topic is air and pollution. Air can make money problems. Short on the breath, short through nose and realization of eyes, fear and coughing. Fear and coughing. Now I explain it. This is a one factory. Now this is a one factory and this is a house and this is also factory. Now this is also this pollution. Now pollution can make money problems. Pollution can make money problems. Thank you.
Very good, Ayushi. Very good, Ayushi. Awesome performance. And she has explained air pollution control. Right? Now, I would like to invite next mathematician and whose name Ansh Rajeshbhai Patel, and he will be explaining creative game, right? So he has come up with new game, right? Now, before that, let me explain little bit more in Vedic mathematics. The word Veda literally means the fountain head and illimitable storehouse of all knowledge. You know that there are four Vedas: Rig Ved, Yajur Ved, Atharva Ved, and Sam Ved. Right now, let me switch over to mathematician. Right? Okay, dear, you can start.
Hello. Hello.
Hello, my name is Padala Rajesh Kumar. I am studying in PhD. Today I am introduce creative animation game. First of all, instruction to be followed in this game. First, count 1 to 3 in a straight line. Second, you have to count 1, 2, 3 in a straight line. Second, remove the third one. We have to count 1, 2, 3 in a straight line. So we have to remove the third one. Third, don't start counting from empty shape. So now this point is empty. So we can now start from here, like 1, 2, 3. We can count it as seconds, like 1, 2, 3. Last, continue the process is 1 coin will be left, then you will consider it as a minute. scale. 1, 2, 3. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, I will this game. The 3 coins are left. Now I will play this game. First, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now the 1 coin is left. So I consider it as a winner. Thank you.
Very good, Ansh. Due to you, we could play game in this hall also. Thank you very much, buddy. Okay, now our next scientist is Sakshi Deepak Patel. Okay, yeah, she has finished. Right now, Tir Prashant Dave would be coming and he will be explaining alkaline water. Okay, and he's the scientist. Okay, now let me explain a little bit more in Vedic mathematics. Okay, so we know that there are 4 Vedas: Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Atharva Veda, and Sam Veda. The original source of Vedic mathematics is Atharva Veda. Okay, Vedic mathematics was rediscovered from the Vedas by the Reverend Sri Bharati Krishna Tirthaji Maharaj. All right, now Swamiji was the Shankaracharya of the Govardhan Mutt, Jagannath Puri, as well as Dwarka, Gujarat during 1884 to 1960s. Okay, now let me switch over to the contestant that is the scientist. Okay, Tim, you can start.
Respected guests, judges, principals, sir, teachers, all people watching this next science fair, myself did the way studying in stand-up with Sri Charter English Medium School. Today I am presenting about alkaline water. As you know that the corona pandemic is going on, all people are living very much of carefully, and they are also busy to boost their immunity power. Now, I would like to do 2 questions to you. My first question is, how much food you eat in a day? Your answer is 300 to 400 grams food you eat in a day. Now, my second question is, how much water you drink in a day? Your answer is, you drink 3 to 4 liter of water. Now, we consume water more than the food. So, our water should be pure. How do you know that your water is pure or acidic? I have a demo for you. I'm adding this Sprite in the cold drink glass. Now this bore water in this bore glass. And now this packed bottle water in this packed bottle glass. Okay. Now you can see this pH chart from 7 to 1. This full water is acidic, and from 8 to 14, this full water is alkaline. So now I will add universal solution in this 3 glasses. Afterwards, I will take out alkaline water in this glass. As you can see, this is cold drink. It comes between 3 or 4. That means this water is acidic water. Now you can see this water, this come between 6 and 7. And now you can see this packed bottle water. This also come between 6 or 7. Now I will take out alkaline water from this bottle. This is my capsule. This contains 16 layers. So now I will push this water. As you can see that alkaline water droplets are falling down. Now I will add this universal solution in this alkaline water. As you can see this water comes between the 9 and 10. So this is alkaline water. We can drink this water, and these 3 glasses of water are pure acidic. And I should like to say that you should must drink this alkaline water. Thank you.
Very good, amazing performance by Abdul. I think after Edison, he would be the next scientist, right? And I would like to purchase all these laboratory instruments from him. Okay? All right. Now, the next performer is Sukruti Barate, and she will be explaining eco-friendly recycling of paper. All right. But till then, let me explain a little bit more about Vedic mathematics. So, we were talking about Swamiji, right? And Swamiji was the Shankaracharya of the Govardhan Mutt Jagannath Puri as well as Dwarka, Gujarat, right? Now, let me switch over to the contestant and the scientist. Okay, so Sukriti, you can start now.
Good morning. My name is Sukruti. Today I am going to explain you the process of recycling of paper. So you might have seen the rat pickers, garbage vans that collect garbage from roads and societies and sites. So today I am going to explain what do they do with that paper. So first step is to that the recyclables are collected. When the recyclables are collected, they are transported into recycling industries. Now, in step third, they separate them into different parts like plastics, glass, metals, and paper. Now, in step 4, the paper is separated into more parts like packaging, newspaper, and contaminated paper. Now, the copy paper, it is broken down into fiber in step 5. Now, it is cleaned to remove impurities, and then it is the screened to remove the globes of glue and bites of plastic. Then it is de-inked to remove the ink. Then it is thicked to form a paste. In step 10, it is brightened and given white color. it is dried so that it could become a very thick paste. Then a pigging water is combined in it. Then the thick substance is pressed to form paper. Now in step 14, it is dried again, and in the last step, it is prepped for final usage. Thank you.
Very good, Sukriti. Great performance. Okay. Now, our next performer would be in pair, and that is Padan Drashti and Mohita Krishna. Right? Okay. But before they arrive, let me continue with our Vedic mathematics topic. Okay. So now we were talking about Swami, and he was an exceptionally brilliant student and a great scholar of Sanskrit. At the young age of 21, he studied science, maths, English, history, philosophy, etc., securing the highest honors in all. Now, let me switch over to the next contestant. Okay? Yes, dear, we can start now.
Hello, my name is Drashti Patel. Today, I will teach you the easy way of multiplication. We have to do here 123 into 432. First, we have to draw horizontal one line, two horizontal line, three horizontal line, then four vertical line, three vertical line, two vertical line. When crossing is coming, that we have to put point, that we have to count. So here ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. So here 6, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 here, 1 carry over. 2, 12 plus 6 plus 2 is equal to 20, plus 1, 21. So we have to put 2 here and 1 here. So 6 plus 9 plus 3 plus 11 is equal plus 2 is equal to 13. So 3 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 1, 5. So if it is our answer, you can also do this type of sample like this. It is very easy and you can do. Its benefit. We can do a big multiplication without tables, calculator or computer. Children can enjoy multiplication by this trick. Thank you. Now my friend can
Start.
Hello friends, good morning. My name is Krishna Maija. I will teach you today the easy trick of tables. For example, I take 38. पहले हमको 3 का टेबल लिखना है. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15, 3 6 जा 18, 3 7 जा 21, 3 8 जा 24, 3 9 जा 27, and 3 10 जा 30. अब 8 का टेबल 8 1 जा 8, 8 2 जा 16, 8 3 जा 24, 8 4 जा 32, 8 5 जा 40, 8 8 जा 8 7 जा 48, 8 7 8 3 8 6 जा 48, 8 7 जा 56, 8 8 जा 64, 8 9 जा 72, 8 10 जा 80. वैसे ही हमको ये सब नंबर को प्लस करना है और हमको उसका आंसर लिखना है. 9 plus 2 is equal to 114. 12 plus 3 is equal to 5, 1 2. 15 plus 4 is equal to 190. 118. 18 plus 4 is equal to 228. 21 plus 5 is equal to 266. 24 plus 4 is equal to 304. 27 plus
24 plus 6 is equal to 304. 27 plus 9 is equal, 7 is equal to 342. 30 plus 8 is equal to 380. ऐसे ही हमने विद इन 100 आपको जो भी हार्ड लगता है वो आप इस ट्रिक से कर सकते हैं. थैंक यू.
Very good. Great job, buddy. Okay. Now, I would like to invite. Okay. Now, let me continue with Vedic mathematics. Okay. Now, at the Swamiji, at the young age of 21, he studied science, maths, English, history, philosophy, etc., securing the highest honors in all. The term Vedic maths refers to a set of 16 mathematical formulas and their corollaries derived from the Vedic system by Swamiji. The magical spell of 16 Vedic sutras and sub-sutras, which have brought a revolutionary change in mathematical calculations, cannot be described in few words. Mathematics is called the queen of all subjects. Okay, now let me switch over to our next contestant, right? And whose name is Patel Yu. Okay, buddy, you can start.
The potato.
Good morning.
Good morning, my dear friends and my dear judges. Today I am going to tell about how to make free energy by using potato. The potato in the salt water can act as the electrical light and generate electricity between two electrolyte. Salt water is made up of sodium, chloride and water. Using potato for the energy producing, in which chemical change is converted into electrical energy. Whereas when the salt is added in water, it produces sodium and chloride ion. When the sodium acts as positive charge and chloride acts as negative charge. Electrode as electrode. So when the positive and negative charge electrode and fled it potato, it generate electricity. When potato is dipped in salt water, so it is possible to light the electric bulb. Using potato dip in salt water for the electrode of free energy. Let's I see. This is the salt water I mix in this water salt. So first I am putting in this bowl. This is glass bowl. Then I take one LED bulb. And I take one potato. I am putting in salt water potato. Then I take one holder and one wire. See, I am putting here. So I am.
Congratulations.
Then I am telling you advantages and disadvantages. The advantages of this project is it produces electricity from householding items which are easily available to our home. Disadvantages. We cannot
Penny.
generate generate free energy in large amount. Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, you. Awesome performance given by you. And we could understand how this electricity is generated. Okay, now let us come over to the next point of basic mathematics. The term basic mathematics refers to a set of 16 mathematical formula and the corollaries derived from the Vedic system by Swamiji. The magical spell of 16 Vedic sutras and sub-sutras which have brought a revolutionary change in mathematical calculations cannot be described in a few words. Mathematics is called the queen of all subjects, and the Vedas are the ultimate source of knowledge. The combination of the two is really an astonishing experience for the world. The sutras, being single line phrases, are easy to understand and remember. Although the sutras are in Sanskrit, the knowledge of Sanskrit language is not a must. Now let me switch over to our next contestant, and which scientist, her name Goswami Devanshi, and he will be explaining health and hygiene. Right? You can start now here.
Good morning to all. So, my name is Goswami Devansi Harshipuri. I am from Standard 6th C and my school name is Charotar English Medium School. So, this model is for my science fair project. I have made on the topic is health, hygiene and cleanliness. So, the first topic is health wheel. So, in this, there are four main topics. This is mind, body, spirit, and fitness. First is mind. Don't take stress. Make your mind calm. Read often and read widely. Take time to relax. So, this point tells us how to keep our mind calm. Now, topic is body. Do exercise, do yoga, eat healthy food, stay fit. So, these points help us to how to take care of our body. Third is spirit. Explore your spiritual core. Look your deeper meanings. Try yoga and think positively. This helps to make our spirit healthy. Fitness. Exercise boosts brain power. Movement melts away stress. Exercise gives energy. Fitness pumps up your heart. So, this fitness helps us how to keep our body fit. So, these points help us to keep ourselves healthy. Now, we talk about hygiene. In this, there are six main points which are clean your ears, don't forget to clean your tongue, then clean your teeth, clean your eyes, clean the remaining part of neck to stomach, and then you have to also clean your hands and legs. So these points help us to clean our body. Now we talk about cleanliness. So it also contains six main points. First is clean your surroundings. Cleanliness is best way to prevent many diseases and illness. Clean your home. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Then keeping ourselves clean is the best habit. Clean your nearby parks and gardens. So cleanliness helps us to clean our surrounding area. Thank you.
Very good, Devanshi. She has explained how to service our body and mind, right? Okay, now let me continue with the Vedic mathematics. Now, the sutras are very well translated and it doesn't require deep knowledge of Sanskrit. Now, these sutras are coherent. The sutras are so beautifully interrelated and unified that any mathematical operation can be performed in many ways using different sutras. Okay, now let me switch over to our next contestant, and her name Yashvi Patel, right? And she will be explaining eco-friendly. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Yashvi and my topic name is rainwater harvesting. So, rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting means to save the rainwater. Now we'll see how it is done. So, this is the water in a container, and with this pipe, it goes to a water filtration tank. And when the water is filtered, it goes to the storage tank. And from the storage tank, we can use the clean water in our daily uses. For example, we can use it in our gardens. We can use it for washing our vegetables, clothes, etc. Thank you.
Very good, awesome performance given and explain rainwater harvesting. And a very good model also she has created, right? Okay, now our next contestant is Jay Barate, and he will be explaining communication and learn. Now let me continue till then with Vedic mathematics. So the system Vedic mathematics is coherent. Means what? The sutras are so beautifully interrelated and unified that any mathematical operation can be performed in many ways using different sutras, and each sutra can be applied to solve many different mathematical operations. These qualities make mathematics easy, enjoyable, and flexible. And that qualitative approach makes use of both parts of the brain, means left hand side and right hand side. So both parts of the brain can be used in this Vedic mathematics. Okay, so it's a versatile is this math that it has been incorporated in the educational syllabi of many countries worldwide. Even NASA scientists applied its principles in the area of artificial intelligence. Now, let me switch over to Jay Barate. Right now, you can start with.
Good morning, all of you. Today, my topic is interactive software. I have a website which is helpful for the students to get the test books of the schools and solutions for the test books with this website. And the schools can also communicate with the students with the help with the means of videos. Now, this is my website which has a navigation bar. There are four contents. We can get the test books from this textbooks content, then when we can get the videos from these classes and solutions from the solutions content. When I click on the textbooks, it gets me to another page which will we will get some textbooks from that. We can also download the textbooks and access them and read them from there already. When I am clicking, this new page is open. In this, when I click any of the textbooks, it opens another website which from where we can access our textbooks. Then we will go back. If we want solutions, we can click on the solutions. Then then we can get the solutions for the different textbooks of maths or science, anything. Now this is our solutions. Now we can also get the another class. We can communicate from the teacher school from with the help of the videos from these classes. When I am clicking this 3 sample videos are here. We can add more and more videos to communicate with the school. This was my project. If we want to see, then we can access it from here. Thank you.
Very good, Jay. Awesome performance given by you. Okay, now our next contestants are Vivek Bhatt and Dev Khamar, and both will perform maths and science. Okay, and one of them is smoke absorber, right? Okay, now good job, buddy. Now let me. Okay, yes, you can continue, buddy.
Good morning. Myself Vivek Bhatt.
And myself, Dev Kamal.
Today we make the smoke absorber. Things needed: a cardboard box, a fan, a motor, wire, a exhaust pipe, and a battery.
This advantages of this project. It is very cheaper and also it used in kitchens to decrease the pollution in our kitchen and also in our house. The disadvantages of this project is it uses more and more battery and it can't be placed in any other place. Now it's time for the maths turn.
Today we make a max trick puzzle in which we have to make the puzzle in a such a way that all the lines must be in a sequence. Things needed are cardboard and pen. Then it's easy to solve. We have to scramble it first of all. Then we have to make it easy. We have to make in such a way that all the lines will be in a sequence. Thank you.
Very good, Vivek. Awesome performance. And I hope your instrument will be sold at Ahmedabad because it produces more smoke, right? So he can earn more profit with the help of this smoke absorber instrument, right? Okay, now let me invite new contestant and she is scientist and her name Anshi R. Patel. But before she prepared herself, let me continue. Now, we were looking, even NASA scientists applied Vedic mathematics principles in the area of artificial intelligence. These unit methods of calculation are easy to understand, and the best feature of Vedic maths is its simple presentation. Even the common man who is not much interested in mathematics and suffers from mathematics phobia can find the presentation of Vedic maths interesting. Okay, now let me switch over to the next contestant and her name Anshi R. Patel. Right now, you can start, buddy.
Hello everyone, myself Patel Anshi. Today I have make an electric heater. My project is based on principle of converting electrical energy into heat energy. As we know, heaters are used in cold places to make them warm. It's an eco-friendly project. I have used here all materials which are of waste, which are of no use. I have used that much of material. I have used here a bulb of filaments which are not used that much nowadays. So this, as you can see here, I have put a fan right over here. The fan is working and the bulbs are getting heated and the heater wants to be start something. But now I would first like to tell you about a transducer. Transducer is a device which converts one form of energy into another form. It deals with such an engineering like electrical energy, thermal energy, potential energy, and so on. My project is now some advantages of my project. It has indoor air quality, simplicity, and efficiency. This heater is adorable and functioning very good. Now, disadvantages. The biggest flaw of electric heating is that it sucks up the moisture from the air, which makes air dry. It has a bad impact on your skin, which leads to dry and rough skin. As rough air comes to your skin, it makes your skin dry. But my project is completely hygienic, as I have used bulbs here, so it is completely hygienic and pollution free. My project also consumes all waste materials. Thank you.
Awesome performance by Anshi Patel. Now, some more information about science. Do you know why does milk rise up on boiling? Let me give you the answer. Milk contains about 87% of water, and its remaining part constitute proteins, fats, and sugar. On further heating of milk, the water vapor expands and creates enough pressure to raise the thick, creamy layer and escapes out, causing the milk to spill down. This is why the milk is raising. Now, I am moving towards our next contestant, Rana Mansi and Drashti C. Patel from 8C, and they are going to present eco-friendly solar house.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Ranamansi. I'm studying in Standard 8C, Children English Medium School. Today, we are going to presenting you a model depend on eco-friendly products. Our model name is Eco-Friendly House with Solar Panels and Windmills.
The definition of eco-friendly house model is an house model. An house eco house is an environmentally low impact and it's low impact and high.
The aim of this project is the main objective of an eco-friendly house is to reduce cost, energy, and recycle as much as possible. The construction of an eco-friendly product uses raw materials that are not only safe for environment but also environmentally viable as long as the house is in working condition.
The important points is first that get air tightness, good level of daylight, harvesting, rainwater harvesting, greywater collection, composting toilets, wind panel, and and wind turbines, etc.
There are some disadvantages of an eco-friendly house. Eco-friendly house cannot completely replace the non-biodegradable products. There are many applications where non-biodegradable products are like plastics, etc. For example, usage earthen pots of cup of trees instead of cups is debatable in terms of hygienic standards.
Advantages of the eco house is first water water efficiency, energy efficiency, and MDR system, etc. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was a marvelous performance of you. Now, moving on some another scientist introduction. S. Chandrasekhar, born on the October 19, 1910 in Lahore, British India. He was awarded the 1983 Nobel Prize for Physics for his mathematical theory of black holes. The Chandrasekhar limit is named after him. He was nephew of C.V. Raman. Chandra became a United States citizen in 1953. His most celebrated work concerns the radiation of energy from stars, particularly white dwarf stars, which are the dying fragments of stars. He died on August 21, 1995, at the age of 82 in Chicago. Now move towards our scientists as well as mathematicians from Standard 8B, Swayam Kachya Patel and Sharma Aditya.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Aditya. I'm going to explain you about maths puzzle. The name of this puzzle is 12 to 15 puzzle time. So let me explain you about the advantages of this puzzle. There are only one advantages of this puzzle, that it will make the strength in our mind, addition strength, and there are no disadvantages of this puzzle. So let me explain about how it works. First, we have to make 9 boxes like this, and we have to take 12 in a center. So 8 boxes left. So we have to take 1 to 8 numbers. And the rule of this puzzle, that we have to arrange the numbers and columns in a whose addition will be 12, and the numbers did not repeat in second time. So we will take here 1, here 8, and here 3. 5, 6, 7, and here 2. So, and here 11. So, these rows and columns, the numbers are whose addition will be 12. Thank you.
Now their next project is from science, eco-friendly boat solar power. You will continue with your project.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Swayam Kapatil from Standard 8 BCMS. I am showing you about the eco-friendly boat which work on the principle of solar power energy. Let me explain you about the advantages and disadvantages of this boat. First, the advantage of this boat is that it work on the solar power energy, so it did not consume any type of oil and nothing. So it decreased the uses of oil. Then let me explain you about the disadvantages of this boat. The disadvantage of boat is that it take a very long period of time to make. Thank you.
This was an awesome performance by both of you. You have done a marvelous job. Thank you so much. Now moving on, some other Indian scientist, Asima Chatterjee, was an Indian organic chemist noted for her work in the field of organic chemistry and phytomedicine. Her most notable work includes research on Winsa alkaloids, the development of anti-epileptic drug, and the development of anti-malarial drugs. Now, I would like to invite our next contestant from 9C, Mahi Rawalji, with her project Pollution. Now, you can continue.
Good morning. Good morning, everyone. My name is Mahi Raulji and my class is 9th standard, roll number 57, and my topic is water pollution. So, first of all, when question arises in your mind that what is pollution? So, pollution is the harmful substances present in our environment which are harmful for the health of human beings and for all living organisms. There are 4 different types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. We will discuss in brief one by one in all these pollution. So first of all, we will talk about the noise pollution. So noise pollution, the exclusive or extra sound produced by some things is called noise pollution. So for example of noise pollution are the voice from the buildings, the machinery, or voice from the factories, and if someone is giving speech by so big speakers, so it pollutes a lot of noise and causes the noise pollution, and the traffic system by honking of vehicle also pollutes the noise pollution. Now we will talk about the water pollution. So here in water pollution we have different examples like drainage directly connect from a building and all that to the river and coming directly into the river and pollute the water. It is very harmful for our health because if we drink such water, so we maybe causes some disease like cholera and etc. Now we will discuss about the air pollution. So the Harmful substances present into the environment pollutes the air and causes the air pollution. So here we have some examples of air pollution like from the factories it pollutes the air, from the vehicles it pollutes air, and by burning up some different types of material also pollutes the air. Now lastly we are going to talk about the land pollution. As we all know, on our earth there is one part of land, and even after that we are polluting our land. So there are different examples like the medical waste, household waste, and factory waste is collected in dustbins and is thrown and run off on one open ground, which is useful for growing crops and all that. But if we are putting that all the waste on open land, it is not useful for growing crops. Even in farm, we are using pesticide. It is good for the plants, but sometimes it kills some mineral, which is useful for the plant for growing of a crop. So, at last, I would like to say you that please save our environment because it is very useful for us, or it will maybe harmful for our future generations. So please save our earth. Thank you.
Thank you, Manu. You have made a beautiful model. It helps us more to understand your project about pollution, and also you have said beautiful speech about the conservation of energy and environment. Now, Charusita Chakravarti was an Indian academic and scientist. She was a professor of chemistry at the Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi, since 1999. In 2009, she was conferred Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Prize for Science and Technology in the field of chemical science. In 1999, she received B. M. Birla Science Award. Now, switch on to the next project presented by Krisha Patel from Standard 9A with her eco-friendly material. Now you can start.
Good morning, all of you. Myself, Krisha Patel from Standard 9A. So, today I'm going to discuss with you about rainwater harvesting. As we know that about two-thirds of Earth's surface is covered with water, and the amount of usable water is very less. The growing population, the growing industries, and the agricultural practices need a lot of water, right? The huge consumption of water is causing reduction of available water. We need to think variety of ways to conserve the water. The most preventive and important way to conserve water is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater is fall on the surface and it's collected by a river and end up mixing in ocean. The usable water is lost in the ocean. We can catch that water by using rainwater harvesting. There are two types